What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise, for those of you that don't know me yet. And today we have a fun video. We have a fun video because this video is a video I've been wanting to do for a long time. And it is my curly hair routine. And you may think, well, Denise, I don't see no curly hair. And you're right. This is because I straightened my hair last time I washed it, and I am not 100% curly girl method. I am a person that gets bored of things really fast, and I like having the flexibility of blow drying my hair or straightening my hair and having it curly. I don't overdo it though because I don't want to lose my curl pattern. What I would do is I would straighten my hair once every 2 or 3 months, and my hair doesn't mind it. I think maybe it does. I don't know. Maybe that's why it looks like this. But
Why?
If you want to know how I turned this into this, just keep on watching. A little disclaimer also, guys, this is what works for my hair. Everyone's hair is different. It can look similar, but it will have different porosities and like different things. So this is just what my hair likes. And all hair textures are beautiful. All hair textures are beautiful. Don't ever let anyone tell you it's not. So only you know what your hair likes, only you know how your hair works. So I'm just saying. But again, if you want to see this, just keep on watching. I wash my hair with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydrating Shampoo. So this one is supposed to hydrate. I also use their Manuka Honey Mask. This thing right here, guys, this right here is one of my favorite masks from Shea Moisture. Like, you have to try it. It's so good. When I'm telling you, I put it on and my hair went, I'm not even kidding. Like, it really hydrates your hair. I loved it. I have a little bit left, so I'm gonna use it again. I've been using it for a while, but it's been really hard for me to find the full size, which, I don't know, maybe it's sold out. Maybe I'm late to it, but all right. Let's just jump right into the styling, shall we? All right, guys, so for my hair, I kind of let it part wherever I want. My mom used to do 2 pigtails on me, so this part right here stays forever. And I section my hair in 2 parts. This is gonna be a lifesaver for you because this is way better than regular water bottles. So just make sure my hair is soaking wet. That's how I like to style my hair. So first I use my Olaplex No. 6 leave-in. This one I use because it's a bond smoother, so it's gonna help repair my hair because I damaged it. So I take this little bit and I just rake it through my hair on one side. This one is also going to help protect your hair from UV rays from the sun, which is important. This one, the remaining I do put on my roots because, you know, sun protect hair. Important. And my hair is complicated in the way that I have low porosity hair, so my hair does not absorb water easily. Remember that for later. I also can't use thick leave-ins. I can't use gels. My hair hates it. I don't know why. I can't find a gel that works for my hair. So gels don't work for my hair, so I use mousses to set my curls. Next, I'm going to use the LCM or LCM. I don't know how to pronounce that. This is their leave-in conditioner. And this one it looks like a jelly, but it's a leave-in.
And
And you're gonna rake it through your hair, you know, rake it up that little rake it up. You know, that's all okay. Make sure you coat the front pieces because those are the ones that show the most. And everyone's hair is different, so you would know which amount of leave-in is necessary for your hair. And this one looks destroyed, but this is my Straighten and Restore leave-in from Shea Moisture. This is my favorite. My hair loves it. With hair, I just try to search for stuff that works for me. Some things that work for other people do not work for me at all, and it's depressing, but you're gonna know when your hair likes something. I take this much, and it's a lot. So with this one, it's gonna be different. Instead of raking it up, we are going to, I don't know how this is called, but I'm gonna clump the curls together, if that makes sense. It's gonna look straight, but don't worry. Some people don't like putting product in the top of their head because of the volume. You lose a lot of volume on your roots when you put product up there. My roots get really frizzy because my hair is damaged because of the hair dye. So I have to put some there. So next up, we're gonna use the Cantu Wave Whip Styling Mousse. I don't like I did everything for no reason, but I'm gonna take this brush right here. This brush, I don't know what brush it is, my mom's brush, and I'm going to take it and brush outwards. Brush it outward. Shake it out. Scratch. we go. See it? Cute. Now we're gonna let that set for 20 minutes. I'll be right back, okay?
1 hour later.
Alright guys, and it's been 30 minutes. My hair does look the same as before, I know it. I know it. As I told you before, my hair has low porosity, so it just stays wet the whole time. It takes, literally if I leave it to air dry, it will take a day and a half to dry completely, and I don't have time for that. So today, I'm gonna diffuse for the sake of this video. So it's just a Revlon blow dryer and an Amazon diffuser. Alright, so first I'm gonna hover around my hair at first to make sure the cast from the mousse sets. So let's start. So after you think the cast is already dry, you're gonna start drying your roots. And once your roots are almost dry, you're gonna start going up with your diffuser.
Seven hours later.
So when it's about 75% dry, I'm gonna use my Olaplex bonding oil. It's like adding an oil for shine, and this one is gonna help repair my bonds, and it's also gonna help with UV protection as well. I don't know how they do it, but do it. So let me just crunch it up. Alright guys, so now that it's like this, it's still not dry. It's probably like 90% dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to let it air dry for the rest of the way, and then I'll be right back with you.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright guys, this is my hair dry. Kind of dry. It's not even, it's almost there. Let's say it's almost dry. It's almost there. Now that I have it like this, because I don't have volume at all, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take more of that oil, the Olaplex oil. I'm gonna separate the curls because this is gonna create more volume. I put the oil in my hands just to avoid frizz when I'm separating them. Some of them I separate as much as I can, some of them are good. And guys, and this is one side with the curls separated, and this is the other side. You already can see a big difference. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our fingers through it. I still have oil on my hand. Put your fingers through it and shake it. Shake, 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 shake it. You can see a big difference already between this side and this side, and I have a lot less hair on this side. Yes, you could do that for a little bit more volume, and I'll tell you the next step in a bit. Let me just finish this side. Right guys, and when it's already separated, we're gonna go again into the roots. Shake it together. Shake, shake, shake. Make sure you grab from the bottom so the top curls don't get frizzy. You can also, when you're done here, you can pull a little bit. Just a tiny bit. You have to be careful because if you do a lot, your hair can get tangled. This is the most volume I could get without grabbing the blow dryer again and going shh, shh. If I had more layers, I feel like it would be way bigger. But my layers are longer, and I'm letting my hair go, so I don't want to cut it. I don't want to risk it. So yes, this is how it came out. Mind you, my hair is damaged, so if you treat your hair way better than I do, it will be all curly and bouncy like the other girls are. If you keep staying away from heat and dyeing your hair, this is enough for me. I love it. I think it's super cute. For me, day 2 and day 3 are the days that my hair looks the best. It looks amazing. So yes. So when I go to sleep, well, this is another video, but when I go to sleep, I'll put in a pineapple and it'll still have the definition. It just goes down in the volume. So we'll have to shake it again. But if you want to see a video on how to refresh your curls, let me know. And how to sleep with your curls, just let me know in the comments and I'll do it for you. You know what, I'm gonna come through for you. Yes guys, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you like my channel. If you don't, well, just do whatever you want, I don't know. If you guys have any more tips and tricks for curly hair as well, leave it down in the comments. I want to know how you do your hair because I feel like there's never enough information on how to perfect your hair game. Like one day it'll come out cute, the next day is crazy. That's the thing about curly hair, and I love my bad days and my good days. So yes. So yes guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna see you on the next one.